Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share to all of you on how to remove the annoying shutter sound of Korean and Japanese locked iPhones. So the first thing that you need to do is to make sure your device is jailbroken. Once you're jailbroken, open Cydia, go to search on the lower left and search for Fileza File Manager. Select it and hit install. Then hit confirm and wait until the app is installed. Select return to Cydia. Go to your home screen and open Fileza. In Fileza, go to System, select Library, then go to Audio and UI Sounds. Scroll down until you see the photoshutter.caf. Once you see the file name, select Edit on the upper right. Select the photoshutter.caf, then hit rename. Just add something on the name of the photoshutter. For me, I will add an underscore or underscore off. As long as it is renamed, try to open camera. Let's try to turn off the silent mode. And as you can see, the photoshutter sound is now removed.